Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode. A quick video about Toyota RAV4. It's a 2021 Toyota RAV4. So I got the car from auction and it's not working, so I checked the fuses, stuff around. So I figured out the fuse is burned right here. So I got a new one from dealer. That's the part number. Well, this is not the biggest issue. The issue is to take apart the fuse box. So I just decided to show you guys how to remove the fuse, because if you're gonna try to pull it out, it's not gonna work. So basically what you have to take is to take the fuse box apart in two parts. So you have to remove the ECM, engine control module, the intake box, and then to take the fuse box apart, to take it out from the bolts, and then you have to remove all the clips around here, and then there's a lot of them here. To take them, it's in a half, and then what you have to do is to push this one up, keep it up, and same time this one has clips around, and here you guys see right here and here. So you have to take a straight small screwdriver and push it. This one goes down, not up, but it goes all the way down. So and then goes down, and then you pull it up, and then it has 10mm screws which holds this thing up. I removed them. It's one left. I just left it for you guys to see. So that's it. This thing should supposed to come apart easily, and here we go. We have the issue. You guys see? Yeah, you can see now. Yeah, that's it. I assume all these new Toyotas has kind of replaced this fuse. So you guys, now you can watch the video and figure out how to remove this fuse. Alright guys, thank you for watching and good luck with your Toyota. See you next time. Bye.